Welcome to Brainstorm.
Welcome to part 2 of the GK Challenge presented by Brainstrom. Here are the next 25 questions to boost your general knowledge. Watch carefully and try to answer as fast as you can. Let's continue the quiz. Here comes question 1. Which is the largest continent? Asia, Africa, Europe? Answer: Asia. Get ready for question 2. The Great Wall is located in which country? India, China, Japan. Answer: China. Let's move to question 3. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, Picasso. Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. Next up, question 4. What is the main gas in the air we breathe? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Answer: nitrogen. Now, question 5. Which sport is associated with Wimbledon? Tennis, cricket, football. Answer: tennis. Here comes question 6. What is the national tree of India? Neem, banyan, mango. Answer: banyan. Get ready for question 7. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's move to question 8. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Liver, brain, heart. Answer: heart. Next up, question 9. Now, question 10. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France, England, Germany. Answer: France. Here comes question 11. What is the square root of 64? 6, 8, 9. Answer: 8. Get ready for question 12. Which planet is known for its rings? Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. Answer: Saturn. Let's move to question 13. Who is called the Nightingale of India? Lata Mangeshkar, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Next up, question 14. Which country won the 2011 Cricket World Cup? Australia, India, Sri Lanka. Answer: India. Now, question 15. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury, silver, aluminium. Answer: mercury. Here comes question 16. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra. Answer: Canberra. Get ready for question 17. Which organ purifies blood in the body? Kidneys, lungs, stomach.
Answer: kidneys.
Let's move to question 18.
Which planet is hottest in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars. Answer: Venus.
Next up, question 19.
How many colors are there in a rainbow? 5, 6, 7. Answer: 7.
Now, question 20.
Where is India Gate located? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. Answer: Delhi.
Here comes question 21.
What is the currency of Japan? Yen, yuan, won. Answer: yen.
Get ready for question 22.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Kilimanjaro? Mount Everest? K2? Answer: Mount Everest.
Let's move to question 23.
Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel, horse, donkey. Answer: camel.
Next up, question 24.
Which Indian river is the longest? Ganga, Godavari, Brahmaputra. Answer: Ganga.
Final, question 25.
Who wrote Discovery of India? B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore. Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Well done, you did amazing. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. You've completed part 2 of the GK challenge. Want more? Watch part 3 for the next 25 questions. Subscribe to Brainstrom for more GK quizzes, facts, and learning videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainstrom.